Okay, so let's get right into it. These are the rollers that I am using for my wet roller set. I'm so glad this is pretty much coming back for us youngins. I would have never thought to do a roller set, and I absolutely love it. I am finding myself doing it every week, every wash day. So with the bottom portion, which is my outgrown undercut, I am using small perm rods. And then for the top portion, I am using rollers. I'll put on the screen what size they are because honestly, I don't remember which sizes they are. I bought three different sizes, but I only used two of the actual magnet rollers with the clamp. But anyway, I am so used to doing flexi rods. Like throughout my whole adulthood, I've done flexi rods, but this is a game changer for me because I'm trying to stop putting heat on my hair for the moment. My hair is easily heat damaged. It's like minimal heat and I have heat damage. So yeah. Anyway, back into this. I am using Donna's Recipe vanilla mousse. I pretty much like it. But yeah, that's what I'm using to hold it. And again, this is a wet set. So I just condition my hair, not with I don't use a cream conditioner for this. I treat it as if I'm going to straighten my hair. So I'll do a spray conditioner, which happens to be Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla, and I use the mousse and I go ahead and roll it up, and then I sit under the dryer. You can also air dry this, but I sat under the dryer. I don't know how long it was, maybe an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. My hair is not long, so it didn't take long for my hair to dry, honestly. But I really don't like sitting on the dryer, so next time I probably just go ahead and air dry and see how that turns out. But anyway, I let it dry. Only products used was the mousse and the spray conditioner. I put some oil on my hair after taking the rollers out, and that was that. I flipped it out to my desired look. And that was that. Like, I pretty much love it. Not pretty much, I love it. And the only reason why I would straighten my hair is to get my ends clipped, which is probably going to be soon. But other than that, I really like doing this. I thought it looked cute. It gave volume. Yeah, I think you should try it. But I'm going to stop talking so y'all can go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. I might pop in every now and then to talk if I need to, but I'll go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Before I forget to mention, I just wanted to say the way that I maintained it, which is pin curling my hair and also hot rollers. So those are options. So after some time of me playing with my hair and walking around the house and letting my hair just sit the way it wanted to fall, well, fall the way it wanted to, I ended up liking it so much. Like at first I was trying to put it in place and seeing what worked, but with me just letting it fall where it may, it looked really good. And this was the final result when I looked in the mirror. I was like, oh, this is cute. So yeah, this is how I've been wearing my hair all week. Really love it. I didn't use any holding spray because my hair is in its textured state, so it didn't need any hairspray after. And then this is just me getting ready for the rest of the night, wrapping my hair. And this is the Bow Wow do rag, y'all. It is amazing. Like I reviewed this on my TikTok. Y'all absolutely love it. Y'all gotta get one of these. But y'all have a good day. I hope y'all liked my roller set. Bye.